Dangler. Kids, do you know a dangler amazes a baby? Let's make a dangler by ourselves and gift it to a baby. Take a bangle and tie it across with the help of stick and straw. Now, you will get 4 sides tied with each other. Put thread through 4 given straws and tie a bell on each end. Tie all the straws to the bangle as shown. Decorate the bottom sides with drawings of your choice and make your dangler look beautiful. Check how it sounds. Wow, it's so beautiful!